If you have a class that meets once on multiple dates, you may want to create a series class. In this video, we'll see how to create one. In the navigation bar, click on Classes. Select the program on the left side. Click the Add Class button on the right side of the screen. Please note that you cannot edit an existing regular class into a series class. They have to be either created new or duplicated from an existing series class. Enter the class name in the provided text field. Enter the capacity and any other information needed. Select the Set Days/Dates when this class occurs. Select the plus button. Choose Pick Dates, doesn't recur, then click Next. Select Series for the class type. Click the calendar icon to select dates for the class. Here you can choose each date individually, or double-click the top date to select all dates in that column. In this example, we're selecting all Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays in June. Click the OK button to confirm the selected dates. Click Done to confirm your selection. Review the selected dates and click Done to finalize.